Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a delete account on the application of Suno. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Suno and you will click here. After that, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.